Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so guys, we do have the choice items for the April glam bags. We got the standard, we got the plus, and we got the ultimate. Now, I know I'm getting this video up late, and choice time was actually yesterday. So, you know what? Everybody probably already chose. So let us know down in the comments what y'all pick. And I hope everybody is still being safe, still trying to stay home as much as you can, and also washing your hands. So guys, if you're excited for this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button. Make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss none of these spoilers or choice items or whatever. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos, and sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which were new spoilers for the BoxyCharm base box for April. And thank you so much, Priscilla Acosta. Priscilla says, hey love, hope you're well. Well, honey, like I said, I woke up with a little cold today, but I don't think it's nothing major. I mean, I'll get through it. But I really appreciate you coming and watching my video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments to pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so again, we got the choice items for. So the first choice item is the IB Beauty Enlighten Eyeshadow Palette. Next up is the Trestique Mini Lip Glaze Set. Now this comes with all 4 of those little lippy pencils. The next choice item is the Cottage Greenhouse Orange and Honey Face Mask. And then another choice item is the Real Her Ultimate Glow Getter Cheek Trio. Man, I like that thing. I kind of like that. The next choice item is the Ciate London Triple Shot XXL Mascara in the shade Black XXL. And then we have the Sela Creme de la Cream, the very best cream. Wow, it says cream a lot, don't it? Yeah, well, that was the last choice item. I do have the choice items for the Plus April Glam Bag as well as the Ultimate. So here I'll go ahead and show you the Plus bag and the choice items for that. Now, guys, I didn't follow up with these items, so I'm just going to flash them up here on the screen for you to see. So that's why I'm not naming them out. Sorry about that, y'all. And then next, we're going to show the choice items for the Ultra Glam Bag. So again, choice items started yesterday. So if y'all did choose, let us know what items y'all chose. The people that didn't get to choose, which items of these are you hoping to see in your bags? So guys, as soon as they reveal anything else, you know I'm going to keep you updated. You know I got to keep you in the loop. And as always, Ipsy's link below if you want to go check them out. Now guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Lena. Lena says, thank you. Looking forward to all your videos. Well, Lena, honey, I hope I don't disappoint you too much, honey. I'm trying to get some videos together, and I really do hope y'all enjoy them. And I really appreciate you coming and watching my video. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want a shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube's got that secret channel, so they've been taking everybody's subscribers? Well, I'll be damned if they'll take some of mine. So if you would, double check that. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. I love y'all so, so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.